we have this situation. Putting the values, 6 sigma di square is 3, and total order pairs are 10. That's why the value of small n is 10. So finally we have this answer, which is 0.98. 0.98. What is this showing? This means there is a strong positive correlation between x and y. This is our conclusion, as the value is very much near to +1. Okay. Try these. This will be the assignment for you. And let me put them in one place. 10 competitors in a contest are graded by 3 judges in the following order. First judge is grading 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. First judge assign different grades to 10 people, and second judge assign his own grades to these 10 people, and third judge is assigning 10 grades with his own decision. Let me denote these grades by x, y, and z. What to do with these grades? Use rank correlation coefficient to discuss which pair of judges have the nearest approach to common taste in the contest. So how to proceed? We will find a rank correlation pairwise. Okay, before finding the rank correlation pairwise, first assign ranked values to the original values of x and y, x, y, and z, and denote these ranked values by small x, and here by small y, and this one by small z. Then find the differences pairwise, x minus y, x minus z, and y minus z, and also find the square of these differences separately and use them in separate formula. And decide which pair of judges having their nearest approach. Let me find the other assignment. Here I have, I think. Before correlation. This one. This one is exercise 2 for the assignment. And this one. Okay. This assignment you will submit on the exam day in end term exam, during the end term exam. Now we discuss multiple regression and correlation. Here again, in this case, we develop a relation of one variable with more than one independent variables of this form. The process is simple and almost the same as we discussed in previous in case of a linear regression. Again, in this case, we develop normal equations, but how to find out these normal equations? Look at the original required equation. This multiple regression line we need. So, as we have a single constant, that's why for this constant directly applies sigma to the original curve. We have sigma y, sigma b naught means it becomes n time. It becomes n time. Here we have b naught. Okay, and second constant is a coefficient of x1. Therefore, apply sigma after multiplication with x1. Look at the third constant, that is a coefficient of x2. Therefore, third normal equation is developed first by multiplying x2 and then apply sigma. In this way, we get three normal equations. Construct a table according to these normal equations. Okay, these are the theory column for our given data. X1, X2 are independent variable and Y is dependent. Further, we need sigma x1 square. That's why construct x1 square column. Also, we need x2 square. X2 square. Here we need x2 square. So construct this one. And also look by looking at these sigmas, sigma x1, x2 we need. So construct a column for x1, x2. As we have on left hand sides, sigma x1 y we need. So construct a column of x1 y. Sigma x2 y we need. So construct a column of x2 y. This will be just according to our normal equations. Construct this table and putting their sums. Column wise we sum up all these sigmas we have in this last row. So putting them in normal equations and solving simultaneously using calculator. Remember, you will use calculator. Don't try to solve them manually. It will take a lot of time. So as we get A, B1 and B naught here, B naught, B naught, B1 and B2, put them in our required equation. This is our required equation. Similarly, we also have a standard deviation of multiple regression. Just we need to construct one or two columns in the table, more columns in the table, put them in the formula and find the required standard deviation. Also, we have an alternative formula, and for which we have this calculation. So try to understand them. This is nothing else, just a construction of a table. So that's all our last chapter. So you will submit an assignment with midterm and also an assignment with final term. Moreover, one quiz with midterm and one quiz with end term. Assignment weightage is 5 each, and quiz weightage is 10. Midterm will be of 30 marks and end term exam will be of 40 marks. And inshallah, hopefully, your grading will be from 82 with a difference of 5. At 80 A, 75 A minor, 70 B plus, 65 B, 60 B minor, and so on. Any question? Moreover, I will send to the CR your attendance record. Inshallah, within a week I will send. Okay, ji, Allah Hafiz. Today I will send also this last chapter on WhatsApp. Okay, ji, Allah Hafiz.